Hey, hey, hey. Oh no, sun's too hot. Welcome back everybody. Here we are in beautiful Shawano, Wisconsin. It is day 2 of D-Day 71, Drift Day 71. It's gonna be another hot, miserable day, but it's gonna be another fun day drifting. I'm gonna be doing less vlogging today. We're just gonna hop right into drifting. Driver's meeting is a couple minutes, and then we will get on track. And hopefully by the end of the day, I can link the entire intermediate track. And then maybe get on advanced, because that'll be fun. It's so satisfying, guys. Wait, that guy's on advance? He's a stock Miata? How? But guys, oh my God. Oh yeah. Molly, I love you. I'm not crashing, I'm drifting, I'm having fun, and a Ford Ranger's drifting better than me. Yesterday, I couldn't do a donut. What? I'm like on the brink of tears. I'm so happy. Drifting is something I thought I could never do. And now I'm doing it in my track car. See, this is the Ford Ranger that's ripping it. Oh, and cutting. I don't care. But the feeling of like timing everything perfectly and just feeling this wheel slip through your hands is so good. I'm so happy. It's awesome. I did it! I finally did it. I'm so happy that it's so satisfying drifting. You've been working all day to get like the track down and you finally get it. It's so satisfying, so fun. I realized what was happening is I was kind of just drifting the track, right? And pretty much no matter what I did, I always messed up with one corner. I went too fast into the corner, I went too fast out of the corner, something like that. And then I realized actually thinking about like what line I should be taking, like where I should be putting the car, once I figured that out, I was able to do it, like link the entire track every single time. It's very crucial, especially without a hydro and without very much angle, to have a good line that the car likes. And once I figured that out and actually started focusing on trying to put the car where I wanted it on the track, it did it. I did it. Yes, so good. Stock angle. No hydro. I'm so happy. Only 200 horsepower. Like, I'm so happy with myself right now. This is so awesome. Like I said in yesterday's video, the car is overheating. It really isn't getting that hot. After like 5 or 6 runs, it gets up to like 230. degrees, which isn't terrible, but it's a little bit warm. Like it just starts to go past operating temp, and I don't want to push it because it is a 29-year-old engine pushing twice the factory horsepower. So like keeping it cool is probably important. That's just a clarification of the overheating. It's not like it's at like, you know, 250 or something. Oh, Bosch is dead. We complained about this in the last video, but it's so miserably hot out here.
Literally, every single shot of me, I can't speak anymore.
It's damaging our brains, this heat. We can't function properly.
Every time I film myself,
they're just sweat.
Every single clip, I complain about how hot it is.
We're sorry, I don't mean to complain, but like,
it's like 100 degrees at least.
So the actual temperature, I think, is like 95. It feels like 110 or something crazy like that. We're in Wisconsin. I thought Wisconsin was supposed to be cold. We got another drift truck. That truck is automatic, so I'm sure he's struggling with that, but he seems to be getting it. Drift truck. We're quitting drifting, and we're gonna go get coffee. I'm to the point where I'm so hot and miserable. I already achieved my 2 goals for drifting. Like, I don't mind just not drifting.
Oh, I'm Gingium, I have to film everything I do. Oh wait, I forgot to start filming.
Screw you, Pasha. Beans and books. The closest Starbucks was 45 minutes away, so.
Beans and books.
Beans and books. Coffee. Oh wow, it is so hilly, dude. That's so crazy. Oh, that's so awesome. I have no idea where I'm going. All right, so normally you would enter right there, drift around this, go down, and then right, left. Right around there. Drift there.
So that's the wall.
Yeah, and then you flick it in. Wow, this is much, it looks a lot scarier.
Are you gonna try, or are you gonna?
I'm not gonna try. That's a negative. The intermediate track, there aren't any things to crash into, whereas there's a lot here. I can kind of do it. I'm just not confident enough. I don't want to risk it. It's not worth it.
I understand. I wouldn't want to do it.
Yeah. I'm having plenty of fun at this track.
I mean, once you have an actual designated drift.
Well, exactly. Yeah, once I get the drift truck, I'll totally do it. up, I just get more frustrated and I keep messing up. I told myself I was gonna do it, and I did it! Yeah, this is what happens when you dirt drop with I don't know, it just got really dusty. I know a lot of you guys don't like seeing this car drifted just because she's so nice. I think now that I have the basics of drifting down, I think it's time to get an actual drift project. We'll probably do one more drift event with Molly, but I'm already to the point where I don't feel comfortable pushing myself with this car because I don't want to mess it up, which is why I kind of chickened out on the advanced course. I went on it and I tested it and I did a couple corners, but there was too many things to crash into. I didn't like it. No, I mean, she's doing great for being a track car that's drifting, but that's gonna be it for this event. We could drive for, I think, like 2 more hours, but I've had my share. We want to get home as soon as we can because we got a 4-hour journey. And what is crazy is that my tires are still good. After 2 full days of drifting, we still have like decent tread. We're not even at the wear marks. And that is the benefit of having a super light and low powered car. They don't burn through tires. Pasha's like stalking me, like I'm walking around filming and you're like,
I'm just
following
watching
me.
it, it's interesting.
Yeah, okay. I keep walking behind here because it's shady, it's good lighting, and it's not windy. So we gotta go pick up the trailer, which we parked in a garage parking lot a mile down the road, and then we'll load the car up, and then we have to drive a long way home. All aboard! Rally bus! Is my trailer still here? Oh God, yes it is, that's good. Friggin' drift event just gets dust everywhere. Dust and tire smoke. My brand new trailer is so dirty.
Means you're using it, it's good.
Ugh. But it was so nice and shiny, Pasha. I'm gonna have to wash my trailer. Having some issues. Lefty loosey. And she's all loaded up. Everyone else is also loading up and leaving. Goodbye, Shano. Hello, air conditioning soon in another 4 hours. Rip. Overall, this event was a huge success. Got to meet a ton of awesome people and got to drive and learn a ton of awesome stuff, of course. Goodbye, Shano. Goodbye, Club FR. Goodbye, USAIR Motorsport Speedway. Thank you for the awesome drift event. I was really hoping that Illinois would be not warm, but it definitely is warm. But yeah, we made it back. That was a kind of long drive, but we're here. Everything's all good. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. Like I've been saying this entire time, this was so much fun. I'm so happy with the way everything went this weekend, with who I met, what I did. It was just, I don't know, it was awesome in every single way. Thank you to Pasha for helping me film some stuff. Go look at his channel, he's over there. And yeah, that'll be it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And yeah, this poor car is filthy, but that's all right. She did great. Good job, Molly. Bye-bye.